In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to replace null values with zero in Snowflake. If you've ever worked with databases, you know that dealing with null values can be a common and sometimes challenging task. They represent the absence of a value and can often lead to unexpected results if not handled appropriately. Thankfully, Snowflake provides a handy function to make this process simple and efficient: the zeroIfNull function. Let's dive into how this function works and the best way to utilize it in your Snowflake queries. The purpose of the zeroIfNull function is straightforward. It checks whether an input expression contains a null value. If the expression is null, the function returns 0. If the expression does have a value, zeroIfNull returns that value unaltered. This means you can effectively replace instances of null with 0 across your dataset, ensuring consistency and avoiding potential pitfalls that null values might otherwise create. Now, let's break down the syntax for a clearer understanding. The function is written as zeroIfNull followed by a pair of parentheses, inside which you place the expression you want to evaluate. Think of this as telling the function, "Here's my value. Please give me 0 if it's null, or return the actual value if it's not." This approach is not only intuitive, but also maximizes the efficiency of your SQL queries in a neat and tidy manner. For example, suppose you have a table with a column that occasionally contains nulls. When you're performing calculations, such as adding values for a total, these nulls can be disruptive. By using the zeroIfNull function, you can convert all the nulls to zeros, which ensures that your computations won't be skewed by missing data. Let's say you have a column in your table named amount. You can write a select statement like this: select zeroIfNull amount from your table. This query will go through each entry in the amount column and replace any null value with 0 while keeping the existing numeric values as they are. It's a clean and efficient way to manage your data. It's important to remember that while zeroIfNull is great for numerical columns when you need to replace nulls with 0, it's not suitable for non-numeric data types. For those cases, you might need to explore other functions like coalesce, which can provide more flexibility with different data types. By incorporating the zeroIfNull function into your skill set, you enhance your ability to clean and manage data within Snowflake, ensuring that your analysis is built on a solid and reliable foundation. Embrace this tool to streamline your data handling, minimize unexpected errors, and keep your focus on uncovering insights from your data. I hope you find this explanation helpful and that you'll feel confident using zeroIfNull in your future Snowflake projects.